when we are bracing our core, Nat's correct that we do want to push our core outwards. Okay, it's a very common misconception that people just like, oh, brace your core. They pretend as if they're about to get punched and they draw inward. Okay, drawing in doesn't contribute to as much stability as pushing outward does. So speaketh physics. All the way in, all the way out. Half breath in and out. All right, that's going to be a braced core, very firm. So let's try that with you. Okay, I need you to take a big breath in, all the way out, all the way out. Good. Half breath in, clamp down, push your, there we go. See that?